There we go.
It's Thursday, March 21st, the day after spring started. And, this is WIKISPEED. Uh, and take it away, Mike.
It's Michael Wolchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. For the past week, I got some stuff done on Sunfounder. Well, actually, I banged my head against the wall a lot on Sunfounder. And just like an hour ago, I got version 16.04 of the Ubiquity robotics loads for the Raspberry Pi loaded up. I got the Sunfounder GitHub repository cloned, and I got the servo calibration or whatever servo config running. So I think that's as far as I got. On my Polaris project, I located a male portion of the cable harness so that I can combine it with terminal blocks and a female harness cable so that I can monitor signals into the motor controller, and it'll tell me what I have to fix. Every time I sit on the damn thing, I seem to need to fix it. That would be about it. Next week, looking to make a little bit of progress on the Sunfounder and make a little bit of progress on the Polaris project with cabling. Apparently, I have to take my battery apart and check it and then charge it up again. And it would be nice to get the WIKISPEED form website processing finished. It's been a month. I should get that done. Blocks. I seem to be getting back into doing projects, so I guess that's a removal of a block. It's not actually a block. Back to you.
Okay, Lauren Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. And this week I just managed to get back to, actually, I think, yeah, I just managed to get back to where I got stuck, and we had some back and forth, so we were working together because now I'm following the procedure you did today. And I've downloaded the legacy version of the Ubiquity Robotics that you got. So the coming week, I do want to look at Trello a bit, and if maybe work together on the website and carry on, though mostly finish building the robot and playing around with it. And that would be the coming week. Blocks are I can't think of any particular blocks, and so I'll go back to you for retro.
Okay. The Sunfounder took a fair bit more effort than I was expecting to get to this point. So I had originally estimated it was going to be 2 points to get it working totally, back to where I started, and I'm not where I've gone through 4 points so far, and I'm still not where I need to be. So I'm not real happy with that. But in terms of retrospective, I'm giving myself 5 points out of 6 for the week, 1 for attending stand-up, so I'm going to give myself 9 out of 10. Team at 9, we're making progress, and the process improvement, I'm still holding off on the reconnecting with WIKISPEED until I can get this darn code for adding people to the Google group and stuff straightened out. I just need to get it done. Back to you.
Okay. And I see that I'm still partway through the image flash, the little thing that came with Raspberry Pi is flashing blue, and it's about 60% done. I'll give myself, because of getting to at least getting to this, I'll say 7 plus then 1 for the meeting, 8, and I agree 9 for the team. And yes, we need everything to do with a sign up to be working in. So I definitely available, whatever I can do if you want to test it once you've refigured it, configured it. I'll go on and sign, or anything else I can help with. It'd be good to partially understand some of what's going on. So that's that, and I think it would be interesting to talk on. I'm kind of. I think an interesting discussion for crosstalk that could be online is how to use the Sun Founder. I was thinking just to get as soon as we can into programming with whatever Raspberry Pi. I did a little bit of that, and that's I would go back to I did the exercises of I have a little kit of LEDs and wires to play with Raspberry Pi. So I would kind of repeat those exercises to get familiar with it again, and then go into looking at working with the Raspberry Pi and the Sun Founder, just to take advantage of the hats and the camera, and the pan and tilt that's the useful kind of a thing. So that's my thought, and so back to you. What do you think about that?
I was going to ask. I have a little, like, I think it's a minute video of this is what the car looks like when you start, and then when you run the servo config, here's what it does. I can post that, I guess, on my YouTube if that helps.
Yeah, on your YouTube or WIKISPEED?
Do we have a Sun Founder on WIKISPEED? Wherever we've got all the Sun Founder stuff, I guess.
Yeah.
I don't remember where it is.
Was it on WikiFactory?
We do have the Sun Founder on WikiFactory, but I don't believe there's any videos there.
So if you can find that and just send me the link so I can look at them, look at the latest one, the 1 minute one that you're.
We have. Oh, it looks like we have LRW, and it doesn't look like we have a separate Sun Founders. I'm gonna follow the link.
Yeah. Okay.
See where it takes me.
Okay, great.
Little Red Dragon project. This is all the stuff that we did with the other remote control vehicle. So I think it's mine.
Okay.
Well, I'll get it added there, and
yours is fine, because we would have to put an explanation if it was on the WikiSpeed one, and it'd be easier to just put it on yours now.
Well, wherever we've got the rest of it, we should just keep adding.
Yeah.
And we can reference it however.
Yeah, or then at some point we can migrate it.
Yep.
But we may develop on Sun Founder, but we may not. We may do something else.
Well, we might take the Sun Founder and move it to another kit that you wanted, the trike kind of thing. Mind you, that was going to use the Sun Founder, wasn't it?
Yeah, I know. Yeah. So anyway, I think I should end the recording.
Oh, okay.
So end the recording. Not hang up. Don't hang up.
Yes, because that gets rid of the recording too.